Happy Sunday. Today's Sunday. It's looking like it's starting to rain. We had some plans for today. As you guys know, we've just been doing a ton of woodworking for like the past few weeks. It just seems like every week all we're doing is just adding more and more plywood, and that's exactly what's going on, in fact. It's right aligned with our plan to pretty much have the bus finished like an empty house.
You talking to yourself?
Mom, I'm talking to the people and you're interrupting. Anyway, we're bringing the bus home today. We usually get the most work done when the bus is at home. I know that we shared a while back how Shawn had COVID, and while he was totally fine from that, the biggest issue is that he lost his job. Now he is officially back to work with an awesome new job. He's actually working remotely, so it gives us a little bit more time to be together. I have something new coming in my schedule soon too that I'm really excited to talk to you guys about soon. When we see the bus every day and we do these little things, it doesn't look like it makes so big of a difference. You know, we've talked to our family and our friends who are watching the videos, and as it goes by weekly for them, they're like, oh my god, it looks so different every week. Like, you guys are making such big progress, and it was like a head scratcher for us because it seems like nothing's happening. But we have some exciting new appliances that we will be installing next month, so we're saying for the rest of October, we're gonna keep going with this plywood everywhere deal and get to sanding. And then once our molding goes up, it is gonna look like a tiny little house. So Shawn's grabbing the bus now. I'm gonna make a quick breakfast and then I'll bring you guys into the bus and we'll see where we're at. The best. I would say one of the things that Shawn and I have most in common is our choice of breakfast. We will always go for eggs and toast. Like, if you ask, what do you want for breakfast? I will never say anything but. If you give me a different option, sure, that's awesome, but eggs and toast does it for me. Recently, I just find that bread doesn't add anything to my body, it just takes away. I do still need a good toast option. Ezekiel bread is a great option for that because it's sprouted, it's flourless, because it's made from, I like to refer to them as like little baby sprouts. So they actually have a lot of protein in them, and I love Ezekiel bread, it's so good. I'm not sure why you keep Ezekiel bread frozen, but we do, so.
Those pants are very cute.
Thanks, they like fit perfect. I've never had pants that fit like that.
It's amazing.
Nice job. Again, to the top.
Would you look at that?
So it turns out Home Depot today was, Home Depot was out of 1/2-inch plywood today, or 1/2-inch birch, which is what we've used for almost everything around the bus. So kind of changing our plans as far as this weekend goes, but I think we're gonna work on a cool design in the bedroom for our headboard. I wanted to use the same type of wood throughout the whole bus, but I want to add in a little bit of texture, do something a little bit different. We finally got this piece of the fridge in. Oh, snap! It looks so sick. That looks dope. What's wrong?
I wish it would come over like a 1/4 inch.
It won't. Alright, so I'm looking into how we want to design our bed frame, or like the headboard. So take pieces of 1 inch like this and create like a cool design. So they'll be really close together that you can't really see back, but it'll give it like a little more depth, you know? This one's a long time coming.
Yeah.
See, we can like fake it.
Fake it till you make it.
At the ceiling.
Okay, so can you hold this? So, drilling holes in these L brackets that we got from the bus demo. I'm gonna use them for the walls, and they'll be like hidden, and maybe we'll touch them up with a little bit of paint, make them look nice.
Cool.
But free stuff.
Yeah, free stuff. Yeah.
Hey, Mark.
Did you have like sheetrock screws?
Maybe actually. Excuse me.
See this?
Drawer, babe. It's weird. This is where our food's gonna live, B. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, in there and in here.
So this is its new home.
Okay. So I don't know if we'll be putting in a permanent door in this hallway, only because if you had the air conditioning on or the heat on in here, if the stove was on or if the air conditioning was on back there, it would totally block the heat from the front and back. But being that our closet's right there, I feel like probably where we'll do most of our changing. So eventually we'll probably do like a curtain or I don't know, like a simple little door or something like that. Comprende?
Wow, it's dusty in here. Did it work?
It definitely works.
Wow, what? That belt smooth.
That was a previous injury.
It's
Right?
dangerous life building buses.
Looks good.
All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Ooh, okay. Be nice.
Right?
Much better. Good job.
What's holding it back?
I think it'll be good once we screw it in.
Yeah, look at that.
Wow, actually. Ow. Coolness. Wow, the belt sander did it. It done did it! The warrior. Welcome to another episode of Shawn and Ash. We're doing this one in slow motion.
Okay, let's go. So not a huge difference here, but we cut out an identical second wall because we're using the inside of the fridge and then this one as a pantry. So we'll have a bunch of different shelves that can pull out for food, and then on the bottom I'll put like a vacuum and stuff. And then from here to here is our actual closet. On the bottom half here we'll do like two sets of pull-out cabinets.
True that.
And then on the top there'll be like a bar up here that we can hang clothes on, and we'll just have sliding doors. You know who you are. You sent it to Shawn Lacourt, but it was really meant for Ben Shawn.
It's my alter ego.
We got a lot done today. We put up this bathroom wall. We got this shelf in. This piece up, as well as this piece, which I know that that's like unlevel, so we're gonna
Is
do. So
tell,
we have to point it over here.
Oh, you're right. Switch.
Yeah, let's not. I don't know if I like this setting. I'm really excited about this mirror. You can either I guess, iron this on because it has glue on one side. We're probably just gonna get a hot glue gun because it's really flexible. So we're just gonna put it on all of these edges
That looks
and
nice.
get it in there, and you can't even tell the difference.
It's like they're not even near.
So you guys will see next week. We're gonna sand everything in the bus. We got this belt sander so that we can just take huge chunks of wood off and make everything nice and level. And then we're gonna add all of our molding to the windows, hopefully all of the veneer everywhere, so finished and ready for kitchen, right?
Kitchen.
That's
And
next step.
drilling a hole in the roof for the hot water heater
Oh
vent.
yeah, we'll show you guys how we do the hot water.
Love it.
I like that.
What do you think?
I think it's fantastic.
For the Saturday night jams.
Hi!
That's cool.
Good job, guys. Looking good. Does something smell? Does something smell bad?